I wanted to be a little bit more clear on my video yesterday. Some people you cannot give constructive feedback, your thoughts, your opinions, advice, whatever you want to call it. Some people you cannot do that to. You have to be selective in who you do that to, because some people take the things that you say and say you're being negative. You don't, because you don't view things in the way they view it. It's always something when you give the advice, right? Or you give your thoughts or whatever. They just cannot see the place that you're coming from, and they're okay with being where they are. There's some people that, you share things with them and they are not open to change. So you just simply have to know who to say things to, when to just listen and not say anything. And that's something that I myself am learning, because I always want people that are around me to increase, in value. That's what we want to do. We want to be better each and every day. And I have to remember that some people don't want to be better. I'm big on customer service when it comes to any company, because customer service is the lifeblood of a company. Companies spend millions of dollars, thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars. It doesn't matter what size business you have. People are spending money to advertise, to get people in the door. How are you spending this kind of money and you have horrible customer service? I don't know. But I need to brag on Verizon for a second, because they are the bomb.com. Like, they literally just gave your girl the biggest hookup in history for a new phone and a new watch. Yo, I got a phone call and it kicked me off, but stoked. Yo, I am so stoked. If you are not doing what you can to keep your customers that you already have happy, you are losing. Do you understand? Like, customers will be loyal if you are good to them. And baby, I am not going anywhere. I swear Verizon has a customer for life for what they just did for your girl. So let me tell y'all need to get y'all customer service on point, because I can sit here and name some companies and small business owners that have absolute horrible customer service. I'm even wondering how y'all still in business. Get y'all customer service game up, because that is the lifeblood of your business. Customer service is the lifeblood of your business.